today's video, we are going to give you a full tour of the Wytheville KOA located in Virginia. This campground was located 1 mile off the highway and was perfect for a one-night stop, which was what we utilized it for. It was very secluded and located at the end of a neighborhood. The grounds were very well maintained. The staff were extremely friendly and helpful during the check-in process. The camp store was packed with everything that you would need, to include slush puppies. Did you have any of those as a kid? They had a really cute selection of t-shirts and sweatshirts for every member of the family. The pool was not yet open, but it looked great. It was complete with a splash pad area for the kids and 2 water slides. There was a fishing pond with geese and ducks, which makes a great view from multiple sites. We were able to see it from our living room. There are many varieties of sites available. Here's a back-in with a patio, and we are staying in a pull-through with a patio. One night in our site costs about $72, which was very reasonable for all that was offered at this campground. There are bathhouses located near the sites and a large playground for the kids. At the top of that hill, there are multiple cabins available for renting. There is no trash pickup, but the dumpsters are centrally located and make it easy to drop your trash on your way out. This large building is the Bowling and Family Fun Center, which I have never seen at a campground. I literally shouted when I saw it when we drove in. This is extremely unique and offers an indoor batting cage, arcade games, pool tables, skee ball, outdoor mini golf, and the A-OK Cafe, which offers made-to-order pizza, wings, and donuts. Additionally, it has a 6-lane bowling alley, complete with automatic scoring. How fun is that at a campground? Once you enter the campground, all of the roads are gravel, but depending on the site selected, you might have a concrete patio. They do have the traditional KOA amenities and activities, such as a basketball court, gaga ball, mining, canine camp, and more. The sites were spacious, level, offered plenty of greenery, and were spaced out nicely. This KOA does have a couple of wagons available to rent. I've always wondered what these were like to camp in. If you've had the pleasure of staying in one before, leave us a comment on what you thought. Should we add this to our bucket list? We have made a full loop and are now coming down by the camp store and pool. They do offer propane fill-up, and the best part, they even have golf carts available. In the comments below, let us know what you think of this campground and the Family Fun Center. Alright everyone, that is a tour of the KOA Holiday here in Wytheville, correct me if I'm saying it wrong, Virginia. Beautiful, quiet, family friendly, lots for the kids. It looks like once Memorial Day comes, there's going to be a lot more for everyone to do with the pool, the Family Fun Center opening up more during the week. Right now it's open on weekends, like I mentioned, but there is just so much to do at this campground. So we just walked around the KOA. As you can tell, this place is beautiful. It has great views. You can probably see behind me. Plenty to do for both the kids, your pets. It's very close to the interstate. It just brings you through a nice quiet neighborhood and then dumps you into this KOA. So far, we're really enjoying it. This is our style of camping where it's quiet.
My thoughts on it: it's located off of Interstate 81, exit 77, and it's literally a mile, I think it's a mile and a half right off of the interstate, easy to get to. Easy access, well laid out, straight shot in, very open, easy to turn the big rigs around. Very clean, very well manicured. The shop was excellent, had everything you'd need or not need in there. Very private. We have a site, could probably accommodate, well, we have a couple 45 footers parked behind us. Ours is a 40 towing, and there's still plenty of room behind the vehicle, in front of the vehicle. Thumbs up. Very nice, very quiet, private. Love it. And we're just Wytheville. For our first time here, it's sandwiched between Bristol, Virginia, and Roanoke. So we're about halfway between those two off of Interstate 81.
If you enjoy these campground reviews, please stick around, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you soon. Bye.